Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you're doing good. Everything is going all right. So today friends, I'll be doing a tutorial for the breakfast and it's called dosa and potato sabji. So let's get started. I'll get started over here. Friends, this was soaked overnight. It is rice and white quinoa, and this is black gram lentils with the little fenugreek seeds, and here are the fenugreek seeds which I soaked for 8 hours separately. Now I'll take this and put it in the mixie and grind it into a fine paste. Just take it. I have put this in the mixie jar. I've added some water. Now I make it a fine paste and I'll puree it. Dear friends, I have grinded it and it has become so good. So you just need to grind it in this consistency. So it should just pour down by itself. And then you can clean it with your hands and just take out everything. Now I take the rice and quinoa which I soaked and I put it in the jar and again I puree it. Just do in a little quantity because this can go in 2 times. Pour a little water so that it can give a good consistency again. You soak it and you puree it and you get this consistency. Now pour it with the lentils which we had already poured it. So this is how it looks. So it just pours down easily. Friends, now that I have grinded it, now just with your hands, just give it a stir. Just rotate it so that it ferments very well. And because the hand has its own heat, it will ferment very well. So try to do it with your hands, friends. And just keep stirring for 1 or 2 minutes. Water becomes fermented when you keep it like this for another 5 to 6 hours in an humid place. If you don't have if your AC is on, you can keep this. You can just heat your microwave for 2 or 3 minutes, and just keep it. And then you can add some salt, friends, like 1 spoon of salt. So just keep it up and just let the salt be there. Don't mix it. Just keep it like this for 8 to 9 hours. Friends, I'll teach you a dip also which you can eat with this dosa. It is called potato vegetable. So here goes the procedure for the potato vegetable. I took some oil, I heated the oil. Now I take some mustard seeds. I add some cumin seeds too. It will flutter now. Saute some onions and garlic. I let it saute for 5 minutes so that it changes its color and it becomes translucent. Big, and I think for my family it is sufficient. So now I take the boiled potatoes, I removed its skin and I dice it. Friends, now I'll be taking the ragu sauce which will be acting as tomatoes, as I don't have tomatoes. So just pour in some sauce, like around 3 to 4 big spoons, and just stop it here. We don't need it much savory taste. So just saute it again. And you can actually use tomatoes also, but because I didn't have tomatoes, I didn't use them. You can cut the tomatoes and you will do that. I add some chopped cilantro. As you all know, I keep my cilantro washed and chopped always in the freezer in a big Ziploc. Now friends, I take some black pepper. I take some turmeric. I take some paprika. And I take some asafoetida. And that's it for the spices. Then you just give it a stir. And then I've already chopped here the diced potatoes. So you can put inside, and this is already boiled and cut and diced. So this is how it looks. Friends, I add some water because it's too dry. Just add a little water so that it becomes semi-liquid. That's it. I won't add much. And this is how it looks. So now I keep this on a boil and on a slow flame. It will be cooking by itself and it's already fermented. I just take a big spatula and stir it all around. and it's almost fermented for around 8 hours. This is how it looks. The consistency should be like this. And now I'll show you how to put on the griddle, friends. Now you just put it on a hot griddle and just make it round in shape. I'll show you another one also. So you just pour the batter from like 1 spoon, then go round about, and it is a perfect shape. So this is how it looks. I'll put some oil now. Friends, now I pour some oil on the sides of the edges so that it doesn't stick to the griddle. Just put half a spoon. You can use butter also. Just keep putting little oil and just stir it. And then you take this one and just try to flip it once it's cooked. But right now we'll keep it here for 2 minutes. Now the pancake is done. It's called dosa in India. So you just take this. It comes off easily and it's flipped. Now cook the other side too. And this is how it looks. Just put it in the pan to be served. Take this vegetable, put it in the side of the plate so that people can enjoy and you guys enjoy. This is how it looks. Dosa with potato sabji. It is called pancake with the vegetable potatoes. Yum. So friends, you saw how easy it was to do that breakfast and yummy. Everybody's favorite in India. It is the most liked delicacy which people enjoy as breakfast, lunch or snack. And you can do many more things with it in the coming videos. I'll show you more. If you like this video, please like, share and comment and let me know how did the pancake making at your home come. Thank you. Have a good day.